The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, how are you? How did you celebrate your Onam? Did you enjoy with your family? Some of you sent me very beautiful photos of Pookalam and your family photos. I really enjoyed watching them. They were really adorable. I know due to the current situation, we were not able to celebrate all the festivities that we used to conduct in our school. But it's for our own good, right? Every festival brings a ray of light and hope. Let's pray and hope for better days ahead. Now let's move on to our class. Take your studio, take page number 47, Light Years Ahead. In this lesson, we will read about a genius and his great ideas. We will use words to measure nouns. And we will also learn how to focus on the action in a sentence. Now open page number 48. Let's do that activity. Work in teams. Your teacher will distribute few objects to each team. Work together and use only these objects to make a toy that can fly. So you have to make a toy that can fly using the objects given here. But since you are not here with me, you will have to arrange these objects and make an object with all these objects that can fly. You need not use all the objects provided to make your toy. Make sure that the toy flies at least for a short distance. Okay, now page number 50. Take page number 50. The electrifying life of Nikola Tesla. Now we are going to learn about a very genius scientist, Nikola Tesla. Scientist, inventor, genius, Nikola Tesla. The man behind the electrical power system we all use today. So the electrical power system that we all use today was invented by the genius Nikola Tesla. Let's learn about him. First one. See, it is numbered, okay? Each paragraph has been numbered. So the first one, born in Smiljan, Croatia in 1856, Tesla was one of 5 children. So Nikola Tesla was born in Smiljan, a place in Croatia in 1856. He was one of 5 children. Now second one, Tesla got his scientific curiosity from his mother. She was constantly inventing small household appliances. Mom is so clever. So Tesla got his scientific curiosity from his mother. His mother used to invent household appliances. Household appliances means the appliances that, electronic appliances that you use at your home. What are they? Mixer, grinder, washing machine, microwave, oven are all some household appliances. So Nikola Tesla's mother used to invent all those small household appliances. So Nikola Tesla got the scientific curiosity from his mother. Now third one, it's in the end of the page. Tesla loved science and math. He had many ideas for inventing machines that run on electricity. So Tesla liked math and science. He had many ideas about a machine that run on or worked on electricity. Someday I'll go to America and use the power of Niagara Falls to generate electricity. Who thought? Nikola Tesla thought. Now, fourth one. In 1884, Tesla arrived in New York with very little money and a letter of introduction to the inventor Thomas Edison. In 1884, Nikola Tesla went to meet the inventor Thomas Edison with very little amount of money with him and a letter of introduction. Now fifth one, and we have light. Thomas Edison was a famous scientist who is said to have invented the light bulb. The light bulb that we use today is said to be invented by Thomas Edison. Now sixth one, I like this clever young man. Who is thinking? Thomas Edison. Edison hired him on the same day. Hired means took him for the job. Nikola Tesla went to meet Thomas Edison for getting a job, right? So he got the job. Thomas Edison hired him. Now seventh one. Edison then began to work on a system that would distribute electricity to all homes and businesses. So Thomas Edison began to work on a system that would distribute electricity to houses and to businesses. Eighth one. It's on the next page, page number 51. He built power plants based on the direct current system DC. So Thomas Edison built power plants based on the direct current system. One power plant was built almost every kilometer. The current would pass from one plant to another, which would then connect to homes. So Thomas Edison built power plants which would have a distance of 1 kilometer from each other. They would connect and bring electricity to all the homes. Ninth one. If you improve on my DC system, I will give you $50,000. Thomas Edison told this to Nikola Tesla that if you improve my direct current system, I will give you $50,000. Tesla worked hard at Edison's company. He improved several machines that Edison had designed. So Tesla worked very hard at Edison's company and he improved several machines that Thomas Edison had already designed. Now 10th, now for my reward. After several months, Tesla came with the alternating current system AC. It was cheaper and better than DC and could carry electricity for longer distances. So after several months, Nikola Tesla brought up a new alternating current system, which was the improvised version of DC and also better in so many things. It was very cheap and also it would carry electricity for a longer distance. 11th one. Where's my money? Who is asking? Nikola Tesla. I was only joking about that. Who is saying? Thomas Edison. That he was joking about $50,000. Edison refused to pay him. He did not want an alternative to his DC system. Tesla became angry. So Thomas Edison, he promised Tesla that if he would improve the DC system, he would pay $50,000. But Nikola Tesla found yet another very powerful alternating current system, and when he asked for the reward for the amount, Thomas Edison denied. He said, I only asked you to improve the DC system. I did not ask you to invent another version. Now 12th one. The war of the currents. Your DC model is weak and expensive. Who is saying this? Of course, DC system was found by Thomas Edison. So Nikola Tesla is saying that your DC model is weak and expensive. It is very weak and it is very expensive. It costs a lot. And then you are talking rubbish. AC models are dangerous. Who is saying that? Thomas Edison is saying that to Nikola Tesla. You are talking rubbish. Your AC system is very dangerous. Tesla and Edison did not agree on many things. Okay, so they had a fight between them, a controversy. Why? Because Thomas Edison did not pay Nikola Tesla as he promised, and they were having controversies between them. Now let's see what will happen next. So read the chapter once again and we will get to know what happened in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.